Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the ZAP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ZAP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon. Here you should see the AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro on the list of my devices. Once you see it, tap on it. On this page, find the notifications and reminders, select it, and here we have the app notifications and incoming SMS. First, let's tap on app notifications. If you don't have the required permissions enabled or allowed, you will see the warning messages at the top. As you can see, we have one, so let's tap on it, tap on OK. It will redirect us to the device and app notifications, and here we need to find the ZAP application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then we can go back. And once the warning message disappears, you should see the list of apps basically, and you can enable and disable the notifications for specific applications. And if you enable them, you will see the notifications from those apps on the watch. If you disable them, you won't see them on your watch. Okay. Another thing you can turn on is the notify only when phone is locked. If you enable this option and you receive the notification on your phone, but the screen on it is not locked, it's turned on, you won't be receiving the notification on your watch. Once you're done with the app notifications, tap on incoming SMS, and here you can turn on the notifications for the messages. If you see any yellow messages, the warning messages, tap on them and allow the required permissions. Okay, and one last thing is the calls. So if you tap on phone right here below the device applications, and you want to receive the notifications about incoming calls, you will need to tap here, allow the required permission, and here we have this option. It displays incoming call information. So basically we can enable the notifications for calls. And as you can see, we have more permissions to basically allow. So allow all of the permissions for it to work. Okay, and at this point the notification should be working. So let's send ourselves a message on Discord. And we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch, which means it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.